So after our orientation, I will upload to our platform. So the first one is how to use the FMAE online platform. If you already taken practical life course or language course, it's similar as Sensorial. So you first log into your account, open the Sensorial course, and then from there you can download our album, pictures, and other files from the folder. And then we have 4 sessions online, and last session will be in person. So first 4 sessions, I already upload all the videos I took and show you how to do the sensorial materials, and also some other videos to help you to understand the concept, what's the rationale, what's the OCC. I also took videos and upload to the sessions. And then please submit assignment under the right sections. For example, the reading assignment, you have to use document to write and upload to that assignment. Please do not directly type in that box. It's very hard for me to check your work. And then yeah, and I will show you how the platform look like. So if you are the first time to take the course, the Sensorial course, this is our platform, Fountainhead Montessori Adult Education. And for under here, my course, and you can see Sensorial. Can you see my screen now, everyone? Yes? Yeah, so you open the Sensorial. So the general is the album here. So if you open it, please download it and print them and put in your binder. And then the sensorial observation, the paper is here. You can download the requirement, the syllabus, and all the requirement here I already put. So, and then all the pictures, please download it and put in the red section. For example, the knobbly cylinder, the the color box, and so on. So please download the picture and cut it, put in the right section. So here, so after the orientation, you can start the session 1. So this is our first week course, and I will upload the video here. You can open the introduction part, so some videos for you to watch. What's the sensorial in Montessori education, and then here are the materials. The materials I took the video from the school, so you can when you watch the video, I wish you can make notes on your paper, and you can pause anytime to see how I show the materials. So after you finish all the videos, here we have the reading assignment. So you can upload the assignment from your portal. The same as session 2.
Miss, I'm sorry, Miss
Yeah,
Jim. I have
yeah,
a question. Did
yes,
you see on the first right there the session 1 reading
yeah,
assignment,
yeah.
the due date is wrong, and sometimes I know because in the past we couldn't upload anything because it's past due. So I don't know if they need to update that
Yeah, so
information.
I hope you can submit on time so I can check your work.
Oh no,
Unless,
that is past. That's 2024. The date
oh,
is
okay, okay. So I will change the
2024,
date. So, yeah.
2023.
Yeah. Sorry, sorry about that. So I will change the date. So if you are late to submit, please email me. I can give you some time so you can submit your work again. But I
Okay,
hope you can
my only
submit on time.
concern, my only concern is sometimes because it's overdue, it didn't let me do the assignments before upload it. So I
Okay.
don't know if that's gonna be an issue. That's
Mm,
all.
I will not deduct the points, but I hope you can submit on time. But if you are late, please email me. I can change the date for you and you can upload. Okay? Yeah, thank you.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, this is how the platform look like. And the last session, we will meet in March 22nd. It's Saturday, and we will go through. We will go over assignment, introduction, review, and practice sensorial materials, and then we will have material test, 3 presentations. After that, we will do the metal insets drawing. After that is written test. So this is the whole day lesson in person. And let's go back to the syllabus. So please go through the syllabus carefully. We totally have 150 points. It includes the grading policy, lessons covered in each session, the reading books, album requirement, rational questions and quotes, the demonstration test. So this is in person, 3 tests, and write up, observation and practice log. So final exam. We totally have 150 points in sensorial. Album 20 points. So I will show you a video later. So this is how the album look like. If you have you taken practical life or language, you know how to make the album, including the rational and codes, demonstration test, and the write-up, practice log, written exam, observation, quiz, also reading assignment, totally have 115 points. The album, please bring your album on the in-person class so I can give you a grade. And other things you can upload from the portal so I can give you the grade from there. This is the sensorial lesson covered. So sensorial material, Montessori designed the Montessori materials, especially for sensorial and math. They are very important because kids can have hands-on experiment. Sensorial materials including the visual sense, the auditory sense, olfactory sense, gustatory sense, tactile sense, thermic sense, baric sense, stereonistic uh, yeah, sense. So for the visual sense, we have different materials, including the knob cylinders, the color box. So they allow children to recognize difference in dimension, length, width, and size. And we will introduce the materials to that children develop their visual sense. And we also have auditory sense like sound box to let the kids to explore different sounds. Olfactory sense allow the children to explore their world through smells. So you can put different smells let children they find different smells. Gustatory sense is to develop their taste. For example, in fall, we can let children taste different kinds of apples. Tactile sense is we have the touching board to let children to close their eyes to feel, use their hand to feel rough or smooth. Thermic sense is available to ability to distinguish the different temperatures, so like hot water, warm water, so let them to feel. Baric sense is wonderful work to encourage learning about weight. So they can use 2 hands to put different weight of things and let them know which one is lighter, which one is heavier. And last one is called mystery bag. So the kids put different shape of things in the bag. So they close your eyes and feel what's that inside the bag. It can be 3D shape or 2D shape. Let them feel the size or round shape or the uh, different shapes. Okay, so moving to the reading books, we don't need you to buy the books, but if you like, you can order from the Amazon, but we give you the digital version from our portal. So the books we are reading have 2 books and some handout. The first one is called the Hidden Hinge. The chapter 2 is talking about the sense. So we encourage you to finish reading chapter 2, and we have some questions for you to answer. The second book is Discovery of the Child. So we will cover chapter 1, 2, 3, all the way to 13 chapters. And also, there are some reading assignment. You can answer the question from the portal. Last one is handout on the portal. Please download them. I need you to highlight the handout and write down the notes and answer the questions. So this handout will be graded in your album. So when I check your album, I want to see the handout already in your portal, in your album. Also, I want to see you highlight the handout, so to show me you read this papers. Okay, this is album requirement. If you already taken practical life and language, so it's similar requirement. Your student name, your cover page, your course date, front and side the label, areas of curriculum labeled, your handout and readings. Please put in separate tabs. Your class notes including when you watch the video, you can make some notes. All materials complete. Actual notes on the right or drawing. Our assignment, you upload online, you can download. After I check your work, you can download and print it, put in your album. Your quotations with explanation. So you can find quotes of Montessori about sensorial. So what does she say about sensorial? And you can copy that sentence and write the explanation. The student activity, please. So we have two assignments. So you should design a sensorial activity and write down the write-up. Please make 9 copies. We have 9 students, so please make 9 copies. When we meet in person, we can share with each other. And so you will have 9 activities in your album. So when you teach your kids, so you have different activities to show to your kids, and extra pictures and additional articles. Except the handout I gave you, and you can search for some new articles and put in your album. So I took a video to show you how the sensorial album look like, so you can take a look. Hi, everyone. I took a video to show you how to make the album. So this one is mine. So make sure you make your own cover page. Also on the side to show the name of the course. And you have to download the textbook from the website. So this is the textbook. And make sure you have all the tabs to show which chapter you are, and the homework, the handout, and write up all inside the album, the binder. So the first one part is textbook. You have to print the pictures and put on the right place. So on the second part is all the matter inside the shape. We will do them on the fifth class in person, and you can trace this shape, write down the name, and put in your album. Next part is the handout and your notes. You have to print them out and put in the binder. Okay, next part is your rationale. Make sure you upload on the website for grade, and also you need to print them out and put in your binder. Next one is the write-up. So you have to download your write-up, also other classmates' write-up, put in your folder. And next part is the practice, the observation. Just also upload to the website and download, put in the binder. And this one is practice log for the last class. Print out the empty place and practice. You can write down the name you practiced. Quotes and comments. So you can make a form like that. On the top is Montessori quotes, and the bottom is your comments. Also, you can put some resources you find out and put them on the back. So this is the requirement for the album. Okay, so let's move on to rationale and quotes. So have totally 25 points. The same as practical life, we also have 10 rational questions related to our sensorial course. I can show you. So here we have 10 questions. I already took a video and upload to our portal. So if you have hard time to write in the questions, I already put the definition, the outline for you to answer the questions. So we have totally 10 questions. And if you don't know how to write it, so I have give you some clues on the right side and you can follow. Please do by yourself. I know here we have ChatGPT. You can just copy the questions and they can help you to answer. But I hope you, after you learn the sensorial, you can think by yourself and write. Don't worry about the grammar or stuff. And I hope you can just use what you think, your idea, and share with me. Yeah. And here, so Montessori quotes with comments. As I mentioned before, so you can search what does Montessori said about sensorial, and you copied her words and write the comments. Why do you like her quotes? How do you think about the sensorial? Demonstration test. So we will have three demonstration tests. The core you can we will randomly choose three materials, and we will give you about 1 hour, 1 hour to practice all the sensorial materials, and then you have to randomly choose three materials, and the teacher, me and another teacher will be there, and you can show us how to use the materials. And also we will ask some questions. So what's before the materials you will learn, and what can you learn from the lesson, like that. So totally 15 points, 5 each. Student activity, new material presentation and write-up. So totally 10 points. We will have two write-up. So the first one is Montessori materials extension write-up, like red rod. I will show you one way to use the materials. Please think about different ways to use the red rod. Like you can associate with pink tower to extend the material, or you can use the red rod to make a midge. So it's your own idea to show us how to use Montessori materials differently. And second one is make your own activity write-up. So here is one student wrote, I want to share with you. So it includes the name. So what materials you want to show, and then it includes materials, preparation, presentation. Always begin with invite the children and place the materials at the work area or on the rug. And last step always be roll the rug and put it away. Extensions. So what extensions you can use your material, and points of interest. Why this material attract the children? Control arrow, language, age, and aims. OCCI and prepare for art. So you can see the pictures she showed to the children. So it's a color matching. Practice log and observation. Practice log is 10 points. If you work in Montessori school, you can start print the practice log. Anytime you practice the sensory materials, you can write down the name. If you don't work yet, you can bring that paper to the in-person class. So any materials you practice, you can record on your practice log. Observations, please contact the school ahead of time to do the observations. So you have 5 weeks, 5 weeks to find a school. So please make appointment and tell them, oh, I taking the sensorial course now. Can I make appointment and observe your class? It should be 3 to 6 years old preschool, and you can observe the teacher, you can observe the students, you can observe the environment they provide to the children. Please print the observation paper and make notes. And when you finish, you can upload the paper to the portal. So the total points is 15 points. Written exam and quiz. The written exam is in person. In all the includes the some rational questions and all the sensorial materials name. We will show you the picture and ask you what's this material name. And sensorial, we learn different shapes. The so please, when you go through the lessons, try to remember the names also. Because when we show the kids 3 period lesson, we have to show them this is this is cylinder, this is sphere. So as the teacher, you should memorize this name first. So on our written exam, we also some questions ask you to remember the material names. We have 2 quiz. It's multiple choice in session 2 and session 3. Please finish the quiz online and it automatically you will see the scores. The album is due the last class. The grade of late album will be lower one level each week thereafter. So there are $25 fee for late submission after the due date. So I encourage you to bring your album on the in-person class. It's in March 22nd. So this is all about our sensorial course. My contact information, this is my Gmail. You can take a picture. If you have any questions, you can send me the email. So from today, I will make a group. So I will send you any information or any reminder, so the due date, so you can keep in mind what's due so you can submit the work on time. Any questions?
No.
Yeah, if already taken, if this is the first course, a little bit overwhelmed, a lot of questions. But if you already taken practical life or language, you already know how it goes, right? So you can do smoothly. Yeah. Any other questions?
No, thank you.
Yours. Okay. So hope you enjoy the course. If you have any questions, please email me. Yeah, you can start from today now. You can open session 1 and begin to watch the videos. Yeah. So if you work in the school, please practice because sensorial is a lot of hands-on experience, right? So after the watch the video, you can go to school and practice those materials. I remember when my daughter was 3, I haven't worked in the Montessori school yet. I just bought a lot of the sensory materials, or you can make by yourself. So every time I took the course, I went home and practice the materials and show to my daughter. So if you don't work yet, you can buy some materials online, or you can make your own and practice. Yeah, practice is very important. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, you too.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
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 Bye. Have a good weekend.
Bye.